Hey guys, I want to show you guys again how to use this Nearpods website to complete your assignments. So your Green Eggs and Sam and your social studies are going to be through Nearpods today. So click here, read the directions. It says watch the Nearpods explanation video, which I'm making now. Click this, and then obviously when you're finished, view assignment and mark as done. So I'm going to click the link, and it's going to take me to this page where you're going to type your name and you're going to click join session. This is just the name of the article, what type of text it is. You're going to click the blue arrow. It says let's get started. Click the blue arrow. This is just like a little virtual field trip. It's kind of showing you what the article is going to be about. It's about a rainbow. So here is a picture of people looking at a rainbow. So when you're finished looking at that, you can click here. Anytime you see open-ended question, that means you have something to answer. So don't click this until you answer. It says, what is something you want to know about rainbows? Think of a question about rainbows and write it below. So I wrote, I want to know how the different colors are made. Once I type my question, I'm going to click submit, which is right here. And I want to make sure I do that so my answer gets saved. Now it's time to learn. Here's your directions. It says on the next slide you'll read a story. As you read, think about the main topic or what the text is mostly about. Also pay attention to key details which support the main topic. After, you will think about the story and complete the activities to help you better understand the text. Then you will answer questions to check your understanding. Remember to try your best. So this is where the story is. So click the arrow below to turn the page. You click this arrow down here. If you click here, it's going to take you after the story. So you want to click here. Here is the cover. And this is where the story begins. If you want to read it yourself, that's fine. If you want it to be read to you, you click the play button right here. And every time you want to turn the page, you just keep clicking. And then, if you want to hear it, you click play on each page. So I'm going to click through just to show you what it looks like when you're finished. And you're obviously going to read or listen to the story being read. Alright, once you get to this page, you know you're done. So you can click the blue arrow. Main topic and key details. The main topic is what the story is mostly about. The key details give more information about the topic, the main topic. And then you have a question. It says, who helps Sam understand mixing colors? Draw a picture and write a sentence to explain your answer. So I'm going to draw some sort of picture here, and I'm not really going to draw anything, but I'm just going to show you what you can do. If you want your question to come back or go away, you click this little arrow here. If you want to insert an image, you can type in what you want and put it in there, and you can move it around. And then to insert text, you click this T right here. I want my text to be black, and I'm going to type whatever the answer is. And then I can move it to where I want to. When I'm finished, I'm going to click submit, and then it's going to take me to the next question. Why do Sam and his mom make eggs at the end of the story? Here I can just type Sam and his mom make eggs at the end of the story because, and then you're going to answer. And again, when I'm finished, I'm going to click submit. Here's another question. Where does Sam see a rainbow? Sam sees a rainbow. Again, you're going to actually answer the question. When you're finished, you click submit. Pause and reflect. Think about the question you've just answered. How can you ask yourself questions that begin with who, where, when, what, why, and how to help you remember key details? How do these questions relate to the main topic of the text? So I want you to think about that. And then here you're going to fill out this graphic organizer. It says, now it's time to fill in a graphic organizer about the main topic and key details. First, write the main topic or what the text is mostly about. Then write in 3 key details that support the main topic. If you need help with the key details, use the information from the earlier questions. So this is where you would create a text box. So you're going to come down here and click text. You are going to, I like to move it and make it the length of my box here. And this is where you would type whatever the main topic is. I'm just making this up. Let's say it's ice cream. Then I'm going to, actually I'm going to make this smaller and move it here. And we're pretending that the main topic is ice cream. Same thing for key details. I'm going to make a box for key details. Let's say, I'm making this up. Let's say one key detail is vanilla. We're going to have another box. Let's say one key detail is chocolate. Oops. Move that key detail 2. And let's say another key detail is strawberry. I'm making this up. You are coming up with details from the text that are important. And I'm going to move that here. Once I'm finished, I am going to click submit. It says let's review. You have quiz questions you need to answer. So each time you click one, you are going to click next here, and when you're finished it'll tell you your score. I just went through and clicked. You can go back and review your answers as well. I'll show you that real quick. Here you can review your answers. Click my answers. It'll tell you what you got right and what you got wrong. Then at the end, it says circle how comfortable you feel retelling key details and finding the main topic in the text. If you are completely lost, you circle stop. If you are okay, but you feel like you need some more practice, you circle slow down. And if you feel like you're a pro and you're ready to move on, you circle go. So I feel pretty confident. So I'm going to circle go. I'm going to click submit. And then I am all finished. So there is an extension activity, meaning you don't have to do this, but you can if you want. It says, where could you see the colors of light in your everyday life? Use words and pictures. I'm going to insert a picture of a street lamp. No, I want to do car stoplights. Let's see if I can find a picture on that. I want the, let's say, tail lights. There we go. Because when I'm driving, I always see tail lights. So that's one thing I could post. And I'm going to say, I always see, actually they're called brake lights. Brake lights when I am driving. They are red. And I could post that, and it posts here for everyone to see. And then when I'm finished with that, I am done. So that is Nearpods. You have another assignment on Nearpods for social studies here. It's very short. Once you're finished, you click View Assignment. You click Mark as Done. And that lets me know that you are finished. Please do not click Mark as Done unless you have actually done the work, because I will be able to go on and see your answers. So yeah, if you need any help or you're having trouble log in, please let me know. Otherwise, I hope you enjoy these Nearpod activities. I think they're a little more fun than just reading an article and answering questions. As always, you can comment when you turn something in right here, and I'll see your message. If you don't want everybody to see it, if it was hard for you, it was easy, if you enjoyed it, let me know in a comment. That way I can use that when I post other work.